Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, how are you?
Good, good. I'm glad to hear you. Yeah, I'm doing great, actually. So how about you? Yes, guys? How is it today?
Today was sunny and and we were waiting this class.
You are waiting for this class. I see. So it's not a class, but more like a talking club, right? It is actually a talking club.
Yes.
Good. So how was it today? What did you do? Were you busy or did some stuff? What was it? Anything interesting, maybe? Yes. Welcome, Elia. Nice to see you.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, hello. Good. So, okay, what about you? Can you hear me? So let me check one thing and then we can start. Okay, then let's go. Let's start our talking club. So the title the title of today's presentation will be age, and not only age. So let me start my presentation. So here we go. The next one. The first question, right off the bat, let's start our talking with the question. So what is the perfect age to enjoy life, in your opinion?
Is my in my opinion, is perfect age to enjoy life 25 years.
25. So
yeah.
Why is that? Why is it 25?
Because years
this age, right? This age.
This age you have full mind.
So what you want to say is you have fully developed mind, right? The brain, let's say.
And you have healthy body, maybe. Yes.
You still have healthy body, but you also have a strong mind, right? You are intelligent and developed, right? Your brain is fully developed.
Yeah.
I see. Got it. What else?
That's all.
That's it. Okay, good. So what about others? Tahir, welcome. Can you hear me? What about others? Juldis, Nedim, Aruke? Oh, this one, 25. I got it. So what do you think so? Why is it 25?
The perfect age to enjoy life is, I think, 18.
18. Okay, that's a hot take. Okay, next one. Oh, sorry. So please develop your idea. Why is that?
Because our parents still заботиться.
So your parents take care of you, right?
Take care of us, and we know we know not a lot of problems.
So we don't have much problems, right?
Yes, we don't have much problems.
What else?
And we have a lot of dreams.
We got dreams. We're young, right? We have a lot of energy, right? We got energy.
We have a lot of energy. Yes.
I see. What about not the brain, but let's say your mindset and your development? I mean, as a person, as an individual. So what do you say of that? What about the brains? What about the thinking and overall personal experience? Is it important? Okay, next one then. Next one. If you don't have anything to add, I'm gonna ask next one. So who's gonna be next? Who wants to answer this question? Please go on. Who's gonna speak? Hi, Betty, maybe you?
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. So it's more like evening, right? Good evening.
Yes,
Or is it?
Nice.
I see.
I'm
Okay,
sorry.
good. Oh, that's fine. Okay, welcome here.
The perfect age to enjoy life is 18 years, because we graduate the school. Yes.
That's right. Okay.
Also, yes, we have many we have dreams. Yes, we have many opportunities, and we begin a new life. Yes, our new life, and
that's right. Yes, there is a kind of
we create our new life. Yes.
That's right. So after graduating the school,
yes,
you have some sort of a checkpoint, right? A checkpoint
yes,
where you are no longer a student, let's say in school, and you are something like an adult, right?
Yes.
Okay, what else?
What else? How to say?
Сұрай беріңіз, егерде қырғызша тіл айта берсеңіз болады. Okay. You wanna add something?
I forget.
So, what is it? What is that word you want to use?
Biz biraz da болса, үй-бүлөбүздөн biraz алыстайбыз, өзүбүздүн жаңы жашообузду баштайбыз.
Түшүнүктүү. So, we take a distance from our family, right?
Yes.
We're now
our new life.
That's right. Okay, as I said before, this is some kind of a checkpoint where you start your new life. I see. Yes. Got it. Thank you for your answer. Okay, next one. Who hasn't answered yet?
Good evening, everyone. May I?
Good evening. Yes.
I think every age has yours advantage. For example, when we were a child, we haven't problems. We have not think anything.
We didn't have, right? Didn't have.
We didn't. Yeah, we didn't have think anything because we were in childhood time.
I see. Okay.
And after graduating school, we have another way. We have some problems. Yeah, we should enter to university or college. Maybe we must begin to start new life.
We must start our new life, right?
Yeah. Then we have maybe marriage, maybe someone do career, maybe someone do own business, and everyone enjoy his life.
Everyone enjoys their life, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Master your time, master your life.
I see.
Everyone,
Okay.
everyone architect his life.
Okay, that's a good saying. That's a good saying. Thank you. Okay. So you mentioned that every age has its own pros and cons, right? Right. So I mean, good sides and bad sides.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you didn't quite answer this question. What is the perfect age to enjoy? Okay. Okay. Does anybody have something to add? Yes, who's gonna answer next? So in my opinion, it would be after 30s, I guess. That would be your 30s. For example, in your 20s, you're too busy to actually enjoy life. I mean, everybody says that you have to enjoy your life while you are young, but I don't think that's true, because when you're young, you have to work. You work for your dreams, work for your career, work for your family, work for yourself. And then after you have worked for some time, for a couple of decades, when you are something like 30 and or 40, you have to, so you got a chance to enjoy what you've worked for. I mean, yeah, that's a hot take, but this is my opinion. Okay, next one, and the next slide. So, what do you think of retirement? Yes, first of all, do you know what is retirement?
Пенсия чыгуу.
That's right, that's right. So when you're old, you are no longer working and you get a monthly payment from the government, right? So what do you think of retirement? Can you enjoy it actually? Yes, what do you think? Yes, guys? You have any ideas? Yes, Juldis, Ilyer, Miriam? Would you say something?
Yes, of course, you can rest. You can rest in this life, in this age. What everything? What do you like, or what do you want in? Use age you get, and you can enjoy and take relax in this age.
So you can live a joyful life at this age. Мисалы үчүн бир жашта жаш жөнүндө айтып атсак, ушул жаштан бул нерсени кылып алабыз деп айтсак, мисалы үчүн at this age деп айтабыз. Not in this age, but at this age. Okay. So you think that you can actually enjoy your retirement, right? But what about the health? You're not healthy anymore. You can't do sports. You can't be active. Sometimes you don't even enjoy the things that you have enjoyed before when you were young. So what do you think of that? Yes, Nedim, Elyar, Julis, Ayberi, you have anything to say?
I think at this age, people can't enjoy enough. because according to psychology, at this age, people become тарынчак. Кандай болот?
So they get easily offended, or they get easily they hold grudge, right? They easily hold grudge, or sensitive. Yes, that's the word.
Sensitive.
So they get sensitive.
They get sensitive. They get sensitive. And не позволяет деген кандай болуп калат?
Don't let.
Don't left.
Give me a second, I'm gonna type it in the chat box. Don't let.
Don't let.
What?
And their heels, their heels don't let to enjoy.
So their health doesn't, right?
Doesn't their health
Doesn't let
them to enjoy. Doesn't let
them enjoy their life, right? So let me put it in the chat box. So let's read it out. Their health doesn't let them enjoy their life, right?
Okay.
So another interesting thing about this one, they get sensitive. So бул жерде негизи англис тилинде эки сөз колдонулат. Мисалы үчүн бир нерсеге айлануу же бир нерсеге болуу, мисалы үчүн become, анан get деген сөз бар, become'ды биз деген зат атоочтор үчүн колдонобуз да. Мисалы үчүн he became a doctor, let's say. Ал бир доктор болду, А мисалы үчүн бир абал жөнүндө айтып атсак, тарынчак же болбосо кандай десем, же чарчаса, бир абалыбызды өзгөртсөк, get деген этишти колдонобуз. Мисалы үчүн they get sensitive, алар тарынчак болуп калды. Же болбосо they get tired, алар чарчады, же болбосо they get sick, мисалы үчүн ал ооруп калды. Мисалы үчүн абалыбызды өзгөртсөк, get андан кийин бир сын атоочту кошуп коебуз. Буга жазып коеюн, get plus adjective. Adjective деген билебиз сын атооч. Түшүнүктүү, ушуну жаттап алсаңыз, англис тилинде көп нерсени айта аласыз да. Абалыңызды өзгөртсөңүз, get дегенди колдоносуз. Get келе сын атоочту кошуп коебуз, болду. Ошол менен абалыңыз өзгөргөн болот. Okay? So, next speaker, who's going to speak? Yes, Abdulaziz, maybe you. Guli, what about you? Or Aiperi? Yes, anybody?
May I?
Sure.
If we want live in retirement life happily, we should take care our health, our financial situation.
Financial situation.
Okay. Because we mustn't be independent someone.
We mustn't be dependent to someone.
Dependent someone, yeah.
Dependent деген бул dependent деген dependent бар, independent бар, Dependent көз каранды, independent көз каранды эмес.
Көз каранды эмес. Independent someone.
To someone. Independent to someone.
To someone, yeah. We keep balance, financial balance, and health balance, and we can enjoy in our retirement life. If everything is okay, yeah.
I see. Of course, there are some, let's say, So you have to be financially independent, you have to be healthy, and if you get these two factors fulfilled, you can actually enjoy your life. I see, I got it. So next one, who's gonna be next?
Okay, can I?
Sure, sure, go on.
I think before when will be retirement, we must take care of our health
Mm-hmm.
and save up more money.
Mm-hmm.
That traveling around the world.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Yeah.
So for our retirement, we have to save up more money, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I see. To travel around the world, to take care of our health, right? To use various services. Okay, I got it. Good. So let's go to the next slide. Here we go. Have you ever thought at what age you want to die?
Oh my gosh.
Yes, that's a difficult question, I would say. So this is a difficult question, of course. This is a hard choice. So have you ever thought of that?
I have never thought about it, but I think I don't like to die with ill.
Mm-hmm.
I don't show my weakness. This way I want to die at мгновенно, как батылы дегенде.
Instantly or quickly. You want a quick death, right? So what you want to say is, I want a quick death.
Yeah.
So you don't want to die of some kind of illness, right? Mm-hmm. So let's put it in the chat box. I don't want to die of some illness. Mm-hmm. Of bir нерсе үчүн, мисалы үчүн оорудан өлүү, of'tu колдонуп атканбыз. Of some illness. Okay. So, what kind of death do you want? For example. So you don't want to die of illness. Okay, can you give an example?
For example, my grandfather died. He was normal, in the evening, and in the morning he was died.
Mm-hmm. He was dead.
Dead, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
For example,
how did he die? What was the cause of death?
I don't know. Maybe after losing her wife, maybe it was good.
Mm-hmm. I see. He lost his wife, and maybe that was the reason, right?
Yeah. And he went after her.
I see. I got it. So you didn't answer the question. For example, how would you like to die? Is it gonna be a gunshot, maybe, or you wanna? I don't know.
No.
Heart attack. What is it? Maybe a heart attack.
No. I want to die sleeping.
Sleeping. I see.
Yeah.
Just an instant death. No cause. Okay. So what about others? Yes, Yildiz, maybe you. Yes. Eldiyar. What about you?
It's so difficult question, and I never thought about it.
Mhm.
I don't know. Maybe I want to die 100. Yeah,
At the
100.
age, yeah, you want to die at the age of 100, right? At the age of 100. Okay. What would be the cause of death? How would you like to die?
When I sleep, maybe.
So you want to die in your sleep, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I see. In my sleep. Okay. Уктап атканча дегенде, уктап аткан кезде бул in my sleep болот. Okay. Okay, good. What about others? Ayferi, Guli? You?
We were told at what age you want to die. Die
At what age?
at what age? Maybe about 85.
85. Okay, that's a pretty reasonable number. Okay, not too much, not too little. Okay.
Not too much. Because my father and the mother, they died at this age.
I see. I got it. So, okay then. Anybody else?
Can I say?
Sure.
I never want to die because I think everyone never want to die because every person wants to live. Yes. Because everyone likes to life or likes to life. Yes, to live.
To leave. Okay.
Yes, and I heard of some people. Some people say that, for example, most of all, old people. Yes.
Old people. Okay.
Older people. They say if I die. Make yes.
So if I die, I want to die.
Yes.
I see.
It may be really good. Yes. Really
A good death. Okay.
good death, yes.
So people want to die in a holy place, right?
Yes.
Okay, I got it. So of course, everybody wants to live forever. That's right, but it never happened, right? It never happens because obviously nobody lives forever, and at some point we all have to die, right? Okay, we just have to be ready for that. But I don't think that anybody or ever is ready to die. Okay, you're right, actually. Okay, so next one. So anybody has anything to add? Maybe wants to speak? Nobody? Okay, next question then. The women, so women live longer for 5 years than men in the US and about 7 years longer in the world. So what do you think is the reason for that? So women live longer than men. Why is that?
Because the women, they, I don't know how they say in English. The woman has menstruation. They throw bad blood from
Mhm.
their body.
Okay.
I think, I don't know if it's true or not. Yeah.
I don't know too. Okay, I don't know. Okay, please continue. So you think that's because of the menstruation, right? Women
Yeah,
tend to
because
get rid of the bad blood,
women,
right?
yeah, women, yeah, they because of menstruation they live longer because the women I don't know no, they lose their bad blood
Bad
from
blood
their
and
body.
I see. Okay. Okay. So their body is more healthy in the end of the day, right?
Yeah, I think that I don't know.
I see. I see. Okay. Okay. Any other versions or ideas? Yes. To this, Eliar, Menim, I agree. What about you?
I think because men's lives extremal life. They love extremal games, maybe alpinism, hiking, and they also love motorbike, car accident, and also we have unfortunately situations between countries, maybe war, yeah.
That's right. Boris. Okay.
War, yeah, and men have to participate in this situation, and that's why, and they couldn't get their nervous ability. Yeah, how can I
they
say?
go through more stress, right? Even if they
Yeah,
survive the war.
and they couldn't control their stress, depression, maybe. That's why man lives shortly. I think.
I see. I got it because of the. I mean, yeah, the wars, the external life, the extreme sports, right? Okay, it's a good version. Okay, anybody else?
I agree with that. The woman lives longer than men. It is scientific research. And I know one statistic about that. Men's diet more than women, because men сталкиваются
face
because men face too many problems and ДТП кандай болот?
Car accidents
and they can мушташып кетүү,
fight, right?
Fight.
Okay, they face more car accidents, they face more, so actually they participate in more fights, right?
Yes, and according to the statistics, after 45 years, кырк беш жаштан өйдөгүлөрдүн арасында аялдар көп. There are more women.
There are more women who die, right? Is that what you want to say? There are more women who die, actually, after the age of 45, right? I see. I get it. Because of the the lesser number of car accidents, the lesser number of fights and conflicts overall, right?
Yes.
Could I understand it? Okay, good. I got your answer. So anybody else? Elzada, Malika, maybe you?
May I?
Sure.
The woman lives longer for 5 years. I think that's true because women can show feelings. Maybe. They can cry, and we men have to hard working, work risk place, maybe, and
at more dangerous jobs, right? Dangerous
jobs. All engineers, men. Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
So what you want to say is that men don't let go of their stress, right? They keep it inside them, so they don't let all the emotions out, right?
Yeah.
I see. And that of course affects the overall health.
Yeah, we can't show our feelings.
I see. Not only feelings, but yeah, the emotions and the feelings, right? I see. I got it. That's a good answer. Okay. Anybody else? Yes, again, Elzada, Malika, maybe you?
May I?
Sure.
Before this video, before this time, I thought men lives longer than women.
I see. Okay.
Only только что деген.
Just now.
Just now I know women lives longer than men.
I see.
I wish to tell you, men work it hard. That's why they live shorter.
I see.
Women. Yes.
I see. I got it. Thank you. Thank you for your answer. So what you want to say is that men tend to work at more physically oriented jobs, right? They work harder with their bodies. I mean, they use physical strength and so on and so forth. That's why they tend to damage their health, right? Okay. So next one, Malika, what about you? What do you think?
I also agree with that one. The woman shows the emotions. The men keep all emotions inside. For example, they can show their anger or like
anger and grief.
Yes,
right?
yes, like this. This kind of very negative emotions they have inside. Women, they don't keep inside and they show them. That's why.
Okay. Okay, good. That's a good answer. So, grudge, to keep grudge.
Yeah.
To keep grudge. Let me put it in the chat box. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you for your answer. Got it. So let's go to the next slide. How do you feel on your birthday? Yes, that's an interesting question, actually.
Yes, very interesting.
Okay, so how do you feel on your birthday?
May I start?
Sure.
Before 18 years old, it's very interesting, and we wait to celebrate our birthday. But after it, after 20 years, I don't wait my birthday.
I see. You don't for your birthday, right? Because
Yeah.
I see. Why is that?
Because when I was young, when I was student, I really imagine my future like very successful person in my age, like to travel, to learn many languages and earn money. But now I didn't achieve, but not all of them. That's why it's very sad.
So getting old is sad, right? I see.
Yeah.
I feel the same, actually. I feel the same. I don't wait for my birthday, and I always feel like I'm losing something. I'm losing my time, and I feel the time ticking. Yes, I feel that. Yeah, I feel the time going by actually just before your eyes. Okay, that's funny. Okay, next one. Who's gonna answer?
May I?
Sure.
In one side, с одной стороны.
Yes, from one side. Okay.
In one side, this day on this day I'm very happy because we mark this day as holiday. In another side, I'm very sad because I'm getting old.
I see. I got it. Is there anybody who feels happy? Yes, anybody?
Yeah, I feel only positive emotions on my birthday, and I never think about that I became older.
Get, not become, but get older.
Older, yeah.
So you don't think of that. Explain that, please. How can you be so happy when you're getting old? What is your mindset?
Can you repeat, please?
Yes. So what do you feel exactly? Why is it? Why are you happy on your birthday? Is there a particular reason for that?
Because on my birthday, I get many presents.
I see.
Many wish.
Many wishes, many presents, right? You see your friends and family, right?
Yeah.
I see. Of course, I can understand that. Of course, I see. Okay, good for you, actually. Good for you. Okay, next one.
May
Sure.
I studied at school. I wanted to become adult, and it was very happy life in my life. I got presents, wishes, and second time when I was student, I celebrated 4 or 5 days. One day with my classmates, second day with my group mates, third day with my relatives. It was very happy day.
Relatives,
in my life.
Not relatives, but relatives.
Relative, yeah.
Okay.
And at that moment, I didn't celebrate my birthday. This day I was upset because I ate each day. I ate 1 year in my life. It's an ordinary day.
I see. I got it. So Anybody else? Okay, anybody else who wants to speak?
May I?
Sure.
How do you feel on your birthday? On my birthday, I feel nothing. This day is ordinary day to me too. For me too. But when I was younger, at my birthday, I was very happy until 18. Because I was happy for that. I am getting adult.
I see. So you're happy to become an adult, right? I see. Okay, I got your answer. So as for me, okay, I don't celebrate my birthday. Just like you, I don't feel anything, because yes, I only feel negative emotions actually, but mostly I just don't feel anything. I just a regular day for me. So of course, when I was younger, I used to celebrate it. I was happy, yes, as everybody said, until the age of 18 or something. And then after that, I started thinking about it, and I figured out that it is actually not a good thing to get old, right? So nothing good about it. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. So the question is, what older people can teach you? Yes, in your opinion. What do you think? So what about the old people? Do you actually think that old people can teach us something?
May I start?
Sure.
Of course, they teach us every time. For example, when we waste our time, like using our phone or like lying, sleeping, when we saw them, for example, I thought that I should learn a lot of things and use it in my life, because when I see for example, my mom, I thought like I should take care of my health. And when I saw my father, I thought like, when I have one idea, I should realize it, because they are always told us, don't waste your time, learn something new, and everything like sport and ар тараптан кандай болот?
So use that in a sentence, please.
For example, ар тараптан успешный болуш керек деген сияқты.
So we have to be successful in all the fields and in all the aspects of our lives, right?
Yeah. I saw these thoughts when I saw them. And also, in addition, if we look through our history, in our age, for example, I am 25 years now, in our age, they were very successful. For example, they were like doctor, for example, Ibn Sina, or they were teacher, the best teachers. But now we have very opportunities, да?
We have a lot of opportunities, right?
Yeah, to be successful, but we don't use, not all of us, but most of us.
Most of us don't use those opportunities, right?
Yeah. And in our history, for example, they were writers, they were teachers, they knew many languages in our age. For example, Al-Qul Osmanov, he was the famous writer, for example. So when we saw them, we should think, что мы делаем, да? Yeah, I thought this.
I said, this is your idea, right? So when we see all the older people, for example, our parents or our grandparents, we have to think what we're doing with our life, right?
Yeah.
I see. I got it. So any other ideas? Yes, actually, I think that time has changed, right? For example, 25, so a person who is 25 years old right now in the 21st century is not the same as a person who was 25 years old 100 years ago. So the time has changed. People now live in different world from the older world, from the former world, right? So the time has changed, the world has changed, and everything has changed, right? I think as you, for example, on this slide, we can see that the 30s are the new 20s. For example, right now, if you're 30, you're like 20. Yes, you're like 20 because there was some kind of age shift, let's say, some kind of shift. Yes, and the world has changed. And yeah, right now I feel like I'm 20. For example, I am almost 30, not almost, but I'm 25 years old. But I don't feel like I have got to the checkpoint, just like my parents or my grandparents. For example, they used to get married at the age of 20 something. They used to have children by the age of 25. They used to, I don't know, start a fully adult life at the age of 25. And I don't feel like them anymore. Yes, especially now. I'm realizing that, I'm starting to realize that, and it's very strange and weird, but I can see that it's true. There was some kind of a social shift, let's say. I think so. Okay, so it seems like we're running short in time. So I guess this is the end of our talking club. Before we end the class, do you have any questions regarding the slides or regarding the items in the chat box? Yes, do you have any questions? Қандайдыр бір сұрауларыңыз бар ма? Слайдтар бойынша же чатқа қарап қойыңыз. Сөздер болса, сұрауларыңыз болса бар ма?
May I?
Yes.
Actually, this lesson, the first for me, and I want to say thank you. This kind of opportunity, it's free for us, and we can practice our language. For example, I am also graduate the Aalto University 2 years ago, and I forgot my language. That's why it's a very good opportunity for me. Thank you, all of your team, all of you.
Your level very high.
Oh, sorry. I lost the connection for a while. Yes, again, What was your question? Hello, guys. Can you hear me?
I have not any questions, but I will thanks for you because you imagined all ages, yes. Yes, the lesson was very interesting for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Okay, then. Goodbye. Have a good night. And yes.
Биз жокто Малика деген кыз эме калуу айтып кетти да, ошону укпай калабыз.
Укпай калдым, кайталап коесузбу?
I will say that I'm very thankful for you, for your team, this kind of opportunity for us, for our
for the people and
in our country, because after graduate the university, I forgot my language. That's why it's very good opportunity. We don't know each other, for example, these people, but we practice our language, and this is very great. This lesson for me the first, and I wish this continue when our language became the advanced.
Gets better, let's say, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, gets better.
Good. I'm very happy. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being active, everybody. And
thank you for your lesson. Goodbye.
See you on Friday. Goodbye.
See you on Monday or Friday.
Thank you. Goodbye. See you.